Transform your passion into profit by building your own online course website with WordPress. Step 1. Get your foundation right. You'll need a WordPress website if you don't have one yet. You can set one up quickly on a hosting provider and install WordPress once logged into your dashboard. We'll focus on plugins. Step 2. Choose your course creation plugin. There are several excellent options for this tutorial. We'll be using LearnDash, a powerful and popular choice. Search for LearnDash in your plugins and install and activate it. Step 3. Configure your course plugin after activation. You'll see LearnDash in your dashboard. Navigate to its settings here. You can set up essential options like course progress tracking, lesson progression rules, and importantly, integrate payment gateways if you plan to monetize your courses. Step 4. Create your first course in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Courses, then click Add New. This is where you'll build the structure of your course. Give your course a title, add a compelling description, and upload a featured image. Step 5. Structure your learning content within your course. You can add multiple sections for each section. You can create lessons. Lessons can contain text, images, videos, and even downloadable files. You can also add topics within lessons for more granular content organization. Step 6. Add assessments and quizzes to make your courses engaging and effective. You can create quizzes. LearnDash offers a robust quiz builder with various question types, allowing you to test your students' understanding and progress. Step 7. Design an engaging learning environment. Now, we want to make your course look appealing and easy to navigate. Use your WordPress theme to style your course pages. Many themes integrate well with LearnDash, providing predestined layouts. Focus on clear headings, engaging visuals, and straightforward calls to action for enrollment. Step 8. Manage student enrollment and payments with LearnDash. You can set up pricing for your courses. Whether it's a one-time fee or a subscription, students can then easily enroll and pay directly on your website, streamlining the entire process. Step 9. Track student progress. LearnDash provides excellent tools to monitor your students' journey. You can see which lessons they've completed, their quiz scores, and overall course progress, allowing you to offer support where needed. And there, you have it, your very own feature-rich online course website, ready to share your expertise and build your educational business.